Good day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ernest Mampana from the Southern FX Traders. In case you are new to this channel, now you know who is behind every video. So yeah, and today's video we're going to be looking at Nasdaq. We're going to do analysis on Nasdaq, and big shout out to Sima for requesting this video. Without wasting much time, let's get into it.
Will never do it. Right now they are watching me doing it. This thing in marble hall is like a movie. I knew it and I did it.
Thank you so much for choosing this video, and let's not waste time and get started with the analysis. So currently here I'm on a daily time frame. This is Nasdaq. So currently I'm on a daily time frame. As always, we identify the trend. That's what I keep on saying. Let's identify the trend. As you can see, Nasdaq it's a bullish market anyway, but we can see here currently the trend, it says it's uptrend. However, as I said before, inside the uptrend we are still going to have some moves to the downside. So even on this one, we also had a move to the downside. From here you can see it dropped to this side. From here it dropped, it's still dropping. So we cannot just conclude by just getting the daily move or the daily trend to say no, let's buy Nasdaq. We need to identify other possibilities as well. So currently, as we can see right now, I can say we are on we just passed the neckline. What the neckline that I'm talking about is this. A few weeks ago I did analyze Nasdaq, where I saw a reverse head and shoulder right here, inverse head and shoulder. Let me just do it again. So it was like this, where I was expecting the market to shoot up to the side, and it did happen. So currently we can see right now we are here, the price is somewhere right here. As you can see, the price is somewhere right here, and we just passed the neck level. However, it seems like the price is rejecting, and I will show you why am I saying that. So if what I'm anticipating right now is not true, then I'm expecting the market to shoot down right here and then continue going up. Otherwise, if there is something, the market might still cross and then we go down again. So I have just switched to 4-hour time frame, and here is one thing I would like to highlight. As we can see, the market has been dropping. It's been dropping ever since from this side right here, and up until now the market is still dropping. So we can have that type of a trend line, and also this one right here at the top. Like I said before, although we are inside the uptrend, we can still look for other trends inside, and here we have been represented with a downtrend. So first of all, I'll just go and mark this here once again. We are seeing a double bottom right here, and we know once the double bottom represents itself, that means the direction is changing. So a double bottom is one of the patterns that represent reversals in the market. So we see the market bounced here, and then it went up. So it dropped here. Again, I'm anticipating some sort of a double bottom again somewhere right here. That is why I had my bias somewhere here, and I just sent a signal to the group, say, now let's buy Nasdaq, and this will be a swing trade. However, if that fails, then Nasdaq is more likely to drop to this point right here and then continue shooting back up. So based on this, we can see that the market is moving in a step format, what I call a step format. It's like this. So it's like this, it bounces, goes like this. So I'm expecting, again, if this one fails right here, I'm expecting to bounce again to that level. But if it doesn't, then we can clearly confirm that this double bottom is valid, and then we are shooting up to this level right here. So once we get there, and then we will look for other opportunities, maybe to the downside or either to the upside. If this double bottom fail right here, we're expecting market to reach here and then continue going up there. This is what I'm seeing on Nasdaq currently. There's nothing much we can talk about currently on Nasdaq, but to wait for this double bottom right here to actually reach to the point where we anticipating it to go. Otherwise, if that is not gonna happen, then the market will still cross here to test at this level and then continue going up. At this point, I'm comfortable enough to go up with the price, and even if it gets to this point right here, I will still feel comfortable at this point to take the price to the upside. Overall, I'm looking for buying opportunities more than selling opportunities. However, I'm not saying selling opportunities wouldn't be rewarding. I'm just saying that buying opportunities are more of a valuable trade for me at this point. Remember, we are almost, I think we are left with almost 10% to complete this uptrend structure right here before we can go up, where the market will give us some sort of a fourth touch at the trend line. So we can see we have the first touch here, first touch, second touch, third touch, and should the market get to this point, then it will be giving us some sort of a fourth touch, and then we continue going up. Otherwise, we will go down up until maybe at this level right here. Maybe at this level right here, we will go down to test at this level, go back up. If the market isn't getting enough momentum to the upside, then we continue shooting down. But knowing that Nasdaq is actually a bullish market, that may not happen. Remember last time when we had something like this, it was back when Corona was still active, very much active. This is what I'm seeing on Nasdaq, and if you have stayed up until this very end, be sure you hit that like button and comment down your thoughts, and also join my Telegram group if you haven't joined the Telegram group. I love you, and I will see you on the next video.
Never do it. Right now they are watching me doing it. This thing in my bullhole is like a movie. I knew it and I did it. Do it, I can do it, yes.